set, and action!
All right, we're gonna change wiper blades on our 2014 Audi 3-liter TDI. It's a 2014. Okay, so if you watch the video that they send you, I don't know, wiper blades and headlights, I don't understand why they're so difficult to change, but they're like my kryptonite. Anyways, the video goes on about a TPB, and they're more concerned about a narrow or a fucking cars. Like, can we have any more cars that drive by? Okay, so they go on about narrow or wide. On my car, it's a again, the 2014 Audi. It's a apparently it's a narrow. So I'm just gonna show you how I did it. Come on. All right, so one thing they do is they got the hood down. You can't even get the wiper blade up like that to even to do it. So, I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. But anyways, here's the old one here. Okay, so recording, let's fucking focus here, come on. There we go. Okay, so that is gonna be the wide one. So what you gotta do, this is how it comes, like this. So see how it's a little different, right? There's a cover here on top. So this is closed like that, okay? So you gotta push these, there's a button here, and there's a button on the other side. You just push them both in, and open that up like that. And then you just pull, this is gonna be hard with one hand, all these fucking cars driving by. All right, let's see if I can get this to do. Okay, so I don't know if you're focused on here or not, but all you do is just kind of, I just put my thumb under here, just lift it up, and out it comes. All right. Then you just kind of push up on in there. Yeah, another fucking idiot. Okay, so all I did was push it up, and I heard it click. Okay, and I'm just gonna close it and lock that down. I'm gonna actually bring that up there, because push that down. Let's see if we can get this hood closed. Anyways, I'm not even changing both of them. It's such a pain in the ass. Like, see what I mean? Yeah, just lift up your arm, and for fuck's sakes. Okay, that ain't going anywhere. All right, I just wanted to make sure that this was pushed down in there, because otherwise you gotta, again, you gotta push these two things in to lift up. That blade ain't going out. Obviously, take off this right here. All right, thanks for watching.